My name's James Williams. I go to Bellwood-Antis High School. I go to CTC for computer networking. You learn about how to make servers like that one. You learn about computers, how to make them, how they work, how networks work, like internet and Wi-Fi, you know, how to set them up, all that good stuff. Last year I took programming right over there, and I kind of didn't feel like it was for me. And so my dad does networking, so I wanted to do this. Okay, I was expecting, you know, same atmosphere, and just a little bit different, and I get to see what I'm doing instead of just typing in code all day. I'm more of a hands-on kind of person. I like to watch and learn, and I learn from my mistakes from hands-on activities, and it's just more fun hands-on than just sitting there watching something. You use internet for almost everything. You go on, watch YouTube videos or videos in general, you make things, and it's all internet-based, and you learn how to make stuff like that. I'm going into the military after I graduate, either the Air Force or Space Force. Think what you want to do, because you know you want to do something, but you just don't know what it is. So I'd say figure it out first. I like making servers, hooking them up, making wires. It's all cool things to me.